So this is our room. We're staying at the Reef Point Oceanfront B&B. I think that's what it's called. So we have like deck access with a private little seating area. Probably gonna have coffee there tomorrow morning. And if you come in, take your shoes off first. This is our room. Obviously very big bed. Cute little sitting area inside to look at the view. We've already kind of made it a mess and brought our stuff in. This little dining area, we wanted to eat in or have breakfast here. Very nice owners provided lots of details on restaurants and good things to do in the area and all of that. There's actually a couple places in there that I don't think that we've considered, so maybe we'll chat before we go, and maybe there'll be another place in the area that we go for dinner while we're here. Big bed, like I said. TV, there's Netflix, which I actually think we might take advantage of this evening after a hot tub or a bath or whatever we end up doing in that sense. I think we'll watch Netflix because there's a bunch of things on my phone Netflix. I'm talking to Steven. There's a bunch of things on my phone Netflix that I've been saving. We can just find them on there and watch one.
Maybe. I guess we'll see.
Anyways. And then we've got this cute little kitchen with like the breakfast part of the bed and breakfast. So lots of complimentary things. We already ate the complimentary cookies, complimentary chocolates. There's coffee. Coffee for the morning. And then this cute little basket with homemade bread, homemade granola, homemade muffins, some fruits, teas, coffee, hot chocolate. And owner Steven will take advantage of that Turtle's hot chocolate.
Maybe, we'll see. That looks really good.
Right? And then in this fridge, there's yogurts, and there's orange juice, cream and milk, water, fruit. And they've also included beach mats, a little cooler, beach towels, extra blankets, a fan. Yeah, it's a nice little assortment of goodies to, make it more bed and breakfast, not just bed. Lady's very nice, very welcoming. So it's nice to, it feels like there's a bit of a more personal touch, so to speak. And then if you come in the bathroom, nice shower with a rainfall shower head, nice big tub. I feel like pulling that blind and sitting in the tub would actually be quite nice. And then kind of all your basic amenities, towels. I don't know, it's a bathroom, it's nice. There's robes in the closet that we can use to go to the hot tub. And that's the room. Reef Point Oceanfront bed and breakfast. And to me, I think it's great. Would you agree?
I would agree. And there's our view from our bed. So when we wake up in the morning, we can be staring right at the ocean.
So our room also comes with this little...
This view, first of all.
Well, yeah, this view. We're right on the water in this sort of like little inlet. But if you come this way, there's this cute little sitting area. And then around the corner is the hot tub. This is pretty cool.
Okay, it's pretty private. To see how many people are using it this evening.
It's either us or them, and that's it.
That's it.
Yeah,
So we might have to share.
potentially. But it's just us or them.
I love sharing.
What?
I love sharing.
You love sharing? That's nice. That's how you make friends. Oh, there's like beach access here. We can go down to the beach later. Go down this
Part
to
of the tour.
That's fun. It's like it's your own little private beach.
You guys didn't share with us?
No. Oh, it's not really beach. It's like rock access. Still pretty cool though. It's like rock access, not beach access. I'm not gonna go down there. It's definitely fog.
Yes, that's
That's cool.
There's some other nice places over there. There's a beach back here. Oh, sorry. I'm like talking as if like the mic's like right here. Yeah, the beach is over here as well. Beach back there.
Very wobbly. Maybe. Hi. It's hard to say. I don't want to go down there in these flip-flops.